Howdy there, stars. Coach Ortega here. Happy Thursday. Hitting you with another daily health lesson, alright? So today we are going to be talking about sugary whoa beverages, alright? And some go beverages too. So first off, what does the word beverage mean to you guys? Think about it. What is a beverage? Something you drink. Right, exactly. So that'll be our Kool-Aid, our soda, water, milk, orange juice, apple juice, stuff like that, okay? So let me ask you another question. Is fruit juice a beverage? Yes. Is a soft drink like a soda, is that a beverage? Yes, it is. Do you think all beverages are go beverages? No, definitely not. So now we're going to talk about what beverages are go beverages and which beverages are go beverages, all right? So when you see the number 100 on a box of juice or a bottle of juice, this means that only fruit is in it. So when it says 100% orange juice, like my orange juice bottle that I have right here, okay? So right here it says 100% juice, okay? So when you look at this juice bottle, guys, what do you think is in this orange juice bottle? Only juice from oranges, right? Because it says 100% juice, so that means it's only juice from oranges. They don't add anything extra in it, okay? So everything that's in this bottle is strictly from squeezed orange juices, okay? They get the orange, they squeeze it into the bottle, and boom, they send it to the stores, and then I pick it up and I drink it all. As you can see, it's kind of empty. All right, so in our 100% fruit juices, they all contain natural sugars, okay? The natural sugars are already in the fruits used to make the juice, all right? So these sugars are already in the oranges that we are using to make this juice that we have right here, okay? When you eat and drink foods that contain natural sugars, you're also getting vitamins that help you stay healthy, okay? So because of that, foods that contain natural sugars are mostly good foods. Keyword though, I said mostly. Mostly means almost all, but not exactly all. Like maybe 98% out of 100, okay? So when we look at orange juice, our 100% juice, right here, it tells us total sugars, 22 grams of sugar. That's kind of a lot, right? It is. But we have to remember that it is natural sugar that has vitamins in it, okay? And remember, vitamins are good for us. Specifically, the vitamin C that's in orange juice, that's what makes it really good. Vitamin C is what helps our immune system keep us nice and healthy and not sick, okay? So very good for us, very good for us, all right? Next, all right, there are other foods like soft drinks or fruit-flavored drinks, okay, that contain kinds of sugar that aren't natural, like the orange juice or the apple juice, okay? These kinds of sugars are added to the foods in the factories that make them, all right? So if the sugars in a food were added at a factory, the food is less likely to contain the vitamins that natural sugar does, all right? So therefore, they're more likely to be a woe food or a woe beverage, okay? So one of those beverages that I'm talking about right here, like the soft drinks or the fruit flavored drinks that have sugar that was added in a factory, would be one of my favorites, Gatorade. Gatorade is not a natural drink. It is not 100% juice. It is a fruit flavored beverage. It is a sports drink, guys. It is a sports drink, okay? This guy doesn't have any natural sugars in it at all. I know this is not, you can't drink this, it's the powder to make it. But the serving size right here, the nutrition facts, is a guide for making one serving size, 1 cup of this Gatorade, okay? And in this 1 cup of Gatorade, this serving size, it has 21 grams of sugars, guys. Yes, I know it's 1 gram less than our orange juice. But remember the difference? Do you remember? Our orange juice has natural sugars, 22 grams of natural sugars that contain vitamins that help us stay healthy. So those sugars are okay. But these sugars that are in the Gatorade were put in the powder in a factory, guys. This was not natural sugar. So this sugar doesn't benefit us whatsoever. It'll get us really, really hyper, and then later on, we'll just crash and be like tired in bed. It doesn't really do anything for us. So this sugar is not good for us. So Gatorade is going to be a woe beverage, unfortunately. Yes, I know you see all the athletes drinking it, but that is for a specific reason that we will talk about later on. Okay, it helps give them the energy like I was talking about, but they also work off these calories. So another thing, when we eat or we drink too much sugar, we tend to gain a little weight, guys. And we don't want to gain weight. We don't want to get a little bit fluffy, because then it's going to be a little bit harder for us to run and breathe and go outside and play and do all the things we want to do. And we just don't feel the greatest all the time. All right, so we want to make sure that we watch the amount of sugars that we consume. If we're not going to be working out, we shouldn't be eating too many sugars. All right, guys. Now, these two, 100% fruit juice and fruit flavored drinks, are not the only types of beverages. There's also what I really like to drink called flavored waters, guys. Flavored waters. These are awesome. I don't drink soda. I don't like to drink soda because I know it has a lot of sugar and it's bad for you. So I wanted something to substitute for my soda, because just drinking plain water with my pizza wasn't really hitting the spot. It was a little awkward, to be quite honest with you. But then my mom found these guys. All right. They are flavored waters. And guess what, guys? They have 0 calories. And look, zero sodium, which is salt, 0 carbs, 0 protein. Sugar is not even on there. There is no sugar in there. All right, guys? So this is perfect. If you don't want to drink soda all the time, but you still want to have a drink that tastes good and is also good for you, get these flavored waters, because, hey, you're still drinking your water. And remember, you need to be drinking water every single day. 8 cups of water every single day, to be exact. And this is a great way to do it because it tastes good. I know some of you guys don't like water because it tastes funny. Well, it's water, guys. Sorry, it doesn't have a flavor. But this water does. So maybe ask grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, whoever it is that is in charge of getting the groceries. Ask them, can you get me some flavored water? I want to try it. And see if you like it or not. And it could be awesome, because then you could probably like this more than you like soda. And there you go. That's a great healthy choice. All right, guys. So also, let's talk a little bit about what other woe beverages, sugary woe beverages are there. Okay, so I mentioned our sports drinks, but I also didn't mention our teas. So we have like our sweet teas, okay, guys? So we get that from Chick-fil-A, or we get them from Cane's, or we have like the sweet teas, the Arizona sweet teas. We have those. And then we also have our energy drinks, okay? I'm pretty sure not a lot of you guys drink energy drinks because babies. Just kidding, you're not babies, but you guys aren't old enough to be drinking these energy drinks. And if you are, you should not be drinking them, okay? They are very bad for you, and they have a ton of bad sugar in them, guys. So with that being said, it is okay to drink some woe beverages. Yes, it is okay to be drinking Gatorade, okay? Yes, it's okay to drink your fruit flavored drink like your Capri Sun or your Hawaiian Punch or your Kool-Aid. It is okay. But just make sure that you can only have it once in a while. So maybe like once a day, okay, and not too much. Yes, coach, I only have 1 cup a day, but the cup is like this big. The cup is the size of this guy. No, guys, no. 1 cup, all right? 8 to 12 ounces. I know you don't know what that means, but it's about this big, okay, guys? This big, all right? You should only have 1 cup per day, all right, guys? Because remember, those sugary woe beverages, they don't have the good sugar that has vitamins that help us stay healthy. But our 100% fruit juices do, because they are the natural sugar. All right, and these natural sugars have vitamins in them. All right, and if you don't want to drink too much sugar, you don't want to drink your fruit flavored beverages, or you don't really want to drink your orange juice, your 100% orange juice with your pizza, you can have a flavored water, which is excellent for you guys. Awesome, awesome. So do your best to try and stay away from the sugary beverages like your soda, your Gatorade, Capri Sun, Kool-Aid, all that stuff, and try and drink a little bit more water and natural sugar drinks, which are your 100% fruit juices. All right, guys? Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you go and try these flavored waters out, guys. They're pretty good, and I hope you drink Go Beverages today, guys, and you stay away from those woe beverages. Alrighty, stay active, have fun this weekend, and I will see you all later. Bye.